This is Peter. Peter is a yellow nape Amazon. He's full of personality. He's slightly crazy at times, especially now because it's hormonal season, so he is just a handful. He was born in 1992. He is wild caught, has a wild caught band. He absolutely loves scratches. He likes to sing opera. As you saw in the videos, he likes to fly and pretend like he's a spaceship while going around on his wheelie cart. And he is one of my favorite parrots we have in the house. Although he can be really obnoxious and loud, just like any Amazon parrot or any parrot in general. But this is Peter. Peter, say hello. You're not going to talk? Say hello, Peter. No, he's not going to talk. He's just going to give you some nice close-ups. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hi, Peter. He wants to eat my glasses. So, on that note, we're going to leave. Say bye.